Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send direct message on Telegram from computer. Let's say I want to send a direct message to this person, right? I would first go ahead and add him to my contact. Let's do Stark. Add this person to my contact, add a last name right here, and then just go ahead and click on done. I can come here and just click on send message, and I would be able to message this person. But let's say I want to message this person right here. I was already talking to them. Just say hi. Can send emojis as well right here, as you can see. And you can also send them some files. If I click here, you can send them photos, videos, documents, your location. You can come here and send them a voice recording. There's also options to send stickers and GIFs. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this helped you out.